That busted garage door situation you're dealing with? Yeah, that can totally throw you for a loop, especially when you're new to homeownership and don't know where to start fixing it. So here's the deal. First off, don't panic and try to DIY it unless you're absolutely sure what you're doing. Garage door springs and mechanisms are no joke and can seriously hurt you if you mess with them wrong. Call a pro who knows their stuff to inspect the door and see if it can be repaired or if it really needs a full replacement. If the door looks fairly new and just got bent or folded, sometimes they can fix panels or realign it without swapping the whole thing out. Also, check if your garage door opener was installed properly, because the closing force should be set to reverse immediately on resistance. If it slammed your door that hard, someone probably messed up the settings. Don't forget to ask the installer or the company that put it in if they have insurance or a warranty covering this kind of damage. When talking to your contractor or repair person, be clear about what happened so they can give you honest advice and a fair price. Lastly, keep in mind that rushing or ignoring safety can make things worse, so take your time and get professional help. One of the biggest garage door mistakes people make is trying to fix springs or cables themselves. This is super dangerous and can cause serious injury or even worse. The fix? Always hire a licensed professional for spring repairs. Another common issue is ignoring the garage door opener's force settings. If it's not adjusted right, it won't reverse properly and can cause damage like what happened to you. Make sure your installer sets it correctly and ask for proof of proper installation. Lastly, people often skip regular maintenance checks, which leads to unexpected failures. Prevent this by scheduling routine inspections every 6 months to catch any wear or misalignment early. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners like you because it helps you find trusted local contractors who specialize in garage door repairs and replacements. Plus, it gives contractors a way to connect with real customers needing their services, making the whole process smoother for everyone involved.